Next, impact of global depositor receipt in Indian capital market. What is the impact? This says that Indian stock market is shifting from Bombay to Luxembourg. So it's not only for local people, it is going for international people too. That is what this means. Arbitrage possible in GDP. So in global deposit receipt, we receive from every money from everywhere. Arbitrage is also possible. What is it arbitrage? Sir, is there any issue mm, for anyone in the world? It can any problem regarding the money given by a global depository money. Arbitrage will responsible for each and everyone. Indian stock market is no longer independent. Why it's independent? Dana? How it make Indian stock markets no longer independent? I don't know this. I will clarify it. Indian retail investors are completely sidelined. Impact because mostly what happened global deposit received if it been not from the foreign investors, it is based on the Indian investors. When you have foreign connections or foreign investment in your company, you are not going to follow your own way. Whatever the foreign investors say, you shouldn't listen to it. Your independence has been affected. So when foreign investor comes in, he may come up with then lower interest rate. So the Indian investor who are there may suffer. Foreign investment has flown into India. When foreign investment is flown to India, same time one day India from India investment will go outside India. So that is also to be taken into mind in this case. These are the impact of global deposit receipt. That may create a problem. Right now, this is what creating in share market where the money is taken from India. So what happened? What happening is everyone is suffering because of the dollar fluctuation, because of this.